What's up, it's your boy Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper focus on them infill lots. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialists YouTube channel, where I'm your host, Damien Dupee, and this channel is all about flipping vacant land, finding vacant land, and assigning vacant land. So if that's something you're interested in with a hyper focus on infill lots, then you are now into the right place. All right. So if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Please like, comment, and share. And I'll thank you in advance. All right. So today we're going to be talking about a very unique topic. And basically, the topic is, do you need a coach in the land flipping business? Okay. And basically, I'm just sharing with you my opinion, because I get a lot of emails from people. I get a lot of DMs. I get a lot of people saying, "Where's Damien? Where's Damien? Where's Damien?" Damien is doing deals. Damien is resting. Okay, I believe in rest, real heavy. But how to know if coaching is right for you in the land business? All right, so let's dive in. If you have bought a course, whether it's my course or somebody else's course, and you have not done a land deal and you have gave it your all, maybe you should consider coaching. And like I say, again, everyone in life, runs into, pitfalls, runs into obstacles. And basically what a coach does is basically help you navigate, help you, kind of get through that obstacle and get results. That's the main goal of a coach, is to get you results. Okay. So, one of the reasons, you'll know if you need a coach, if you've bought a course, you paid your money, you went through the course, and you did everything that the teacher told you to do. Now, this is where you have to be honest with yourself. This is where you have to be super honest with yourself and really ask yourself, did I do everything the teacher told me to do? If you didn't, I would advise you to go back through the course and do everything the teacher told you to do. And again, in regards to land flipping, you want a coach that can help you simplify the business. Okay. Simplicity is key. Okay. In my course, I do have several marketing strategies, but you only need to start with one. You only need to start with one. You don't need to try to do SMS, direct mail, cold calling. Just start with one. Okay. And I teach that. I preach that inside of my course. Start with one. You know. And again, if you are struggling to do a deal, if you are struggling to get results, you may need a coach. But just make sure the coach that you pick, that you set the expectations, and that one, you can afford it. Okay. I do not recommend you putting anything on a credit card. I just don't. Do not go into debt. Okay. I don't. I'm not a component of that. And if you have the money to invest in yourself, do it. But if you don't, breathe easy. Try to figure it out. Okay. Two, if you have the time. Okay. Coaching requires time. Okay. And you got to be honest with yourself. If you work a full-time job, you got 4 kids, like, you pay a coach, and the coach, consult you or advise you to do X, and then you don't do it, then you just wasted your money. That's what I don't want to happen to you. Okay. And maybe you should consider group coaching. Usually the entry fee is a little bit less expensive. And basically you can get in with other people. You can learn from other people's questions. You can learn from other people's mistakes, and you can learn from other people's successes. That's why group coaching is a thing. Okay. So again, if you are in the land business and you've done a deal, but you feel like you can't do no more deals, meaning you've tried everything under the sun, you may need a coach. Okay. And, it's okay. Like, I've hired many coaches. One day, Lord's willing, I'm going to show you like how much money I spent last year, the year before that, and the year for that in coaches. I don't talk about it a lot. I really don't. because it's a thing. It's what I pay for. It's for my personal development, and it's for me to learn new skills. I pay coaches to stack my skills. I buy courses to stack my skills. Because I'm ever learning. I want to always grow. I don't want to be the same place I was last year. I don't want to make the same money that I did last year. I always want to be going up, up, up. So if you want to go up, 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 but you feel stuck, 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 you might need a coach, coach, coach. And I might be that guy for you. I'm not a great fit for everyone, I must say. I'm just, I'm passionate about what I do. And if that's something you're interested in, please drop me a comment sincerely. Drop me a comment and say, hey, what does that look like to coach me? What are the price points? What are the commitments? And hey, if we're a great fit, it will be lovely. It will be an honor. But if we're not, it's okay. I get it. I'm not a great fit for everyone. And, that's just life. Okay. So again, if you are struggling, if you need help, if it's not clicking to you, if you feel like you're spinning your wheels, you keep spending money, you keep bouncing from one person product to the next person product to the next person product, the next person product, a coach will help you kind of cut the chatter out and get quiet. And usually a coach like me, I'll tell you, hey, do one thing. And there's a acronym I really, really like. I think it's in Rich Dad Poor Dad by a guy named Robert Kiyosaki. It's called FOCUS. And basically that acronym means follow one course until successful. I repeat again. The acronym is FOCUS. Follow one course until successful. That's kind of challenging to most people. And the reason why it is because the society teach multitask. You can get it now. Now. You can make $1 zillion tomorrow. And how is that working out for you? I mean, again, I get it. Everyone's preaching. Everyone's showing you Lambos, and they renting Airbnbs, and they renting jets, and they renting this, and you kind of see this lifestyle, and they give you what you call a unrealistic expectation. And I must admit, I have failed for this countless times of, seeing influencers, and basically they make it seem so easy. Even their copy, meaning what they write on their website, it seems like, oh, this is just so easy. But then all to learn that it takes a lot of work, a lot of dedication, a lot of commitment. And at the fine print, you should see something say results are not typical. And that's usually the case. So if you've been in that position, you feel what I'm talking about. When they say results are not typical, I mean, it's a thing, So, hey, get in where you fit in. Look, I appreciate you, even for watching this video for this long. I get it, But I want to help you if you want to be helped. I want to lead you if you want to be led. And I want to feed you if you want to be fed. So holla at your boy. It's your boy, Damien Dupee. I'm God like the wind. What an honor to be a part of this epic, wild community. We are land specialists. Please forgive me. I'm not super active in the Facebook group. I'm not really a social media person. I do have an admin, and she holds it down. Shout out to Yashika. Thank you. I appreciate you, ma'am, for holding it down. But I'm really not a social media person. It eats up a lot of my time. It's a big distraction. And I probably won't ever be a social media person. I like YouTube because I can film content, which I enjoy doing. I enjoy filming this content. And I can upload it. And then when I get a chance, I can respond to the comments. I kind of like that. For Facebook and Instagram, you're constantly checking it. You're constantly checking your DMs. You're constantly on it. And I don't like that. Yes, it does give you what we call a dopamine rush. And that's why it's so addictive. And that's why a lot of people are glued to their phones, okay? They're addicted to their phones, okay? And if that's you, I pray that you pray for wisdom how to not be addicted to your phone, because it can ruin your relationships. It can actually kill your peace, and you'll start having your identity off of a false identity, in whatever it is. And ask me how I know. Yeah, for sure. And you find yourself, picking up stuff you're seeing on social media, whether it's watching ratchet stuff or not watching ratchet stuff, whether it's shopping. And another thing about social media is what I don't really like about it is the ads. If you click on something that you like, notice that them ads will follow you all around the internet. They'll chase you. Hey, Damien. Hey, 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 buy this, buy that, buy that. And that's why I don't like about social media, because if you see something you really, really like, let's just say on Facebook, and you click on it, now that thing is following you all around the world. If you try to go on the Bible app to read the scriptures, you see this little thing in your corner saying, hey, come get this fishing rod that you clicked on earlier. And then before you know it, you done made an impulse purchase. So again, social media is okay. Okay. But for me, I'm just not, I have boundaries with it. And hey, it works for me. And if you love social media, do your thing. I ain't mad at you. So again, I'm kind of ranting now. Thank you so much for your love, your support. I'm thankful for everyone that supports me. But again, if you feeling stuck like Chuck, you in Ouchville. Let me say that again. If you're in Ouchville, meaning you just keep spending money, you just feel like maybe you should consider group coaching. Maybe you should consider one-on-one. Maybe you should consider consulting with me. I mean, get in when you fit in. I'm gone.